I got a better understanding on how to present more engaging, learn about the gesture, and the idea, the mindset, the difference between presenting in online and offline. In the long term, maybe for the internship, it will be really helpful.
I learned how to organize my pitching. I also learned how to influence people. This workshop also gives me an experience on real-life example of trying to pitch a product to a customer.
I need to think more about presentation. It's not about a homework. It's not about a work that I need to submit. Thinking of it about how to engage with my audience, how to tell what is my idea.
I'm very grateful for the quality education I received from CityU. All my professors' courses are quite interesting and the knowledge I will apply in the future.
And for the quality education, we get the chance to do some research, even advanced research in bachelor degree. That's so amazing.
In the future, I will gain my experience in entrepreneurship and using the skills that I learned today.